Welcome to the unboxing of Frozen mystery box. Annie, you know what?
What?
There is something from Frozen2 in this box.
Wow!
It's so exciting! I can't wait to open it. Open, come on, open! I can't wait. But Elsie, what? You have to wait. Wait for what? For me. Okay, let's open this mystery box. Frozen. And remember what I said? There is something from Frozen2 inside. Look at this. There's so many stickers. Olaf, annaandelsa. Wow. Sven. Oh, Christoph. Rangers are better than people. Right. It's enough, Anna. It's time to get this box opened. Here we go. Be careful with that, Elsie. I'm always careful. Annie. Wow. Oh, I want this ribbon. I'll get a ribbon for me. For me. I leave it here now. Wow.
Wow!
What's this?
Cupcakes.
Something to make cupcakes. Wow. This is nice.
Yeah!
I want to make them. But not today, not yet. We leave it for another video. Today we are busy opening this box. So, wow, this is a good start. Right, so we'll leave it here. There you are. Right. Oh. Oh, look at that. A dress.
A dress.
I think this could be for your mom, Elsie. You can give it to your mom, Elsie. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, that's great. So I'll leave it here. I'm gonna put this a little bit more over here. Don't peek, don't look. I'm gonna have to stand here so you don't see it. Maybe if we put this box, huh? What do you think? I don't know. Let's turn it a little bit. Oh, okay. I'll leave it like that. Don't peek though. Just wait until the thing comes out. Right, next. Come on, Elsie. Oh, that's from my dad. Yeah, I think my dad, Christoph, can wear it. What do you think, Bella? What do you think, boys and girls? Yeah, that's definitely something for Christoph. Right, we put it here as well. There you are. So you all can see what we've been taking out of the box. There you are. Right, next, Elsie, please. Ooh. Gloves. Hey, where's the other one? Where's the other gloves? Only one? Just one glove? Here. Look, I've got it. Woo! Gloves. We should put them on. What do you think, Elsie?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Put them on. Just try a little bit harder. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, try to put on.
Yeah. You sure it's in the right hand? It's in the wrong hand. That's look. Show to everyone. That's in the wrong hand. Right. So take it off. I can give you a hand if you want, Elsie.
Thanks.
Right. Let's see. Let's see. Dee. Oh dear, it's just a glove can't be so difficult to put on. Oh, this wrong again. What's wrong? This is strange. Right. What's going on here? Right. Okay. Unfortunately, we cannot put them on, but we can put one on, right? Because well, look, both gloves is just for the right hand, so we cannot put them on, Elsie. Ah, that's bad. Never mind, you can always put one on at least, right? Give me the. It's gonna have to be the other hand. There you are. Gonna have to put it on your stuff. How difficult this is. Let's see if you manage.
See, I managed.
Uh-huh. That's wow, nice. It suits you. Right, well, same the other one. The other one is also for the right hand. What do people think? Oh. Right, I can see more things, more exciting things there. I don't know. I wonder what the Frozen 2 thing is going to be. I can't wait to know.
Ooh,
Ooh, what's this?
I don't know.
A purse. It's a purse, so you can put money in it. Shall we open it?
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Yeah.
I'll open it. Right, let's see.
Ooh, Elsa.
Let's see. Yeah, it's a bit. Sellotape here.
Right,
Take that off. Of course, please. You take it out of the box. There you are. Show it to everyone. Wow, I'll take it. Wow, look at this. Oh, it's so smooth. It's quite a shame you guys, boys and girls, can't touch it and feel it because it's actually very, very smooth. Ooh, smooth. Hello, hello, auntie. It's my auntie. Let's see. Can I open it? How does it work? Pardon?
I always want that.
You? Okay, you can have it, Elsa. I just need to know how to open it. I can't open it. I don't know how it works. Right. This is a way to open it. I just don't know how. Ah, there you are. This is some paper, and there it is.
Ooh.
There you are. It's a bit hard to get it open, but it's better actually, much better. So you can keep your money safe. So we'll leave it here as well, along with the other things. There you are. So right, next thing. Don't look yet. Oh wow, what's this? It's some sort of necklace.
Yeah.
I'll put it on. Look. Oh, it's too big for me. Definitely too big for me. It's a nice necklace.
Yeah.
Look at this. Ooh. Nice necklace. Lovely. So I'll leave it here. Maybe for my mom or maybe for your mom, Elsie.
Yeah.
Right. Carry on, please. Next item. A brush hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually I need that. My hair is so messy lately.
Hey, mine too.
Oh, ouch. Oh, look. It's an Elsa. Elsa brush hair.
Yeah.
And here, see, we showed that hair of yours. That's a little bit better.
Yeah.
Right, please. Elsie? I can see a lot more things inside this box, so please, come on! I cannot wait!
Ooh.
Oh, Olaf! Okay,
Yeah.
what's this?
I don't know.
I've never seen this before. Some sort of
Open it.
floaty or something.
Cookie?
No, I don't think so. Look, what it says here? Light up. Light up. Right, I can't wait to get it open. See what's inside this plastic. Wow.
It's a floaty.
I don't think so, is it? No.
It's a jacket.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Right, so it might be a floaty, but I don't think that would be the purpose of this. But look, it's got here something. Oh, we need to inflate it. Right, let's get this inflated. Whoa! Wow, look at this! It's not inflated. I'm a bit out of breath. Ugh. That set is full of air. Wow. Actually, it's really nice. Amazing. But it said it lights up. How does it? Maybe if we turn the light off?
Yeah.
I don't know. Right. Come here. Let's go to a dark place to see if it actually lights up. Right. Let's see. Ooh, it's dark. It's not doing anything yet. No, it hasn't lit up. Why it hasn't lit up? To shake it maybe? Shake it. Shake it. It's not doing anything. Maybe not. No, that's just the light from outside still coming through. See if we can get more darkness. Shake. Yes, it has lit up, but the light is so weak that I'm not being able to film it for you boys and girls, so sorry, but it does work. Right. So right, next thing. Right, let's see the next thing. Elsie.
Alright. Ooh.
Ooh, it's a crown.
Wow.
Whoa, oh.
Look at clean.
Oh, that's true.
I'll wear it.
Okay, I'll put it on for you. Let's see if it wants to stay on actually, because it comes off really quickly. All yours, Queen Elsa. Right, next thing, please.
Alright.
Actually, we're going to take Olaf out of here. Bye-bye. So we've got more room. Oh! Well, that was actually quite funny. I said, let's get Olaf out of here. And then another Olaf came in. Right. Oh, hello. I'm Olaf and I like warm hugs. Oh, well, Olaf, we are going to leave you over here. That one is alright, because that one is small, so he can stay. Next thing, please.
Okay.
Well, I can see something there. Well, that's fine. We get, oh, stickers.
Yeah.
Stickers.
Ooh.
Right. Well, I can see something special. We're gonna put, oh, I'm sorry, Elsie, are you okay?
Yeah.
Right. We're gonna put it like this, because now the important stuff is coming. So, we're going to take all this off this box and maybe leave it like this, so you don't see what's coming next. Because I can see, I can see that there's something from Frozen2 that is about to be seen and be revealed. Will it reveal anything about a new movie coming up soon? Maybe. I don't know. I haven't seen it. Have you seen it, Elsie?
No.
No. So we don't know yet. Hopefully it's something important about the new movie. Right. Right. Next thing, please. We've already seen the stickers. They're quite amazing, actually. Lovely stickers. So many of them. 150 stickers? 150? Wow! Actually, over. I didn't see over. Over 150 stickers. Oh, we are going to have so much fun, Elsie. Wow, leave it here. We don't want this to get lost. Right, next thing, please. Next thing.
Alright.
Oh, what's this? Oh, it's from Frozen Fever. Stamper set. Stamps. Oh, brilliant. Let's get this open as well. What do you think? Get me a piece of paper. Thank you, Elsie. Hurry up. Can you find any paper? Has to be somewhere. I'm pretty sure. Come on, hurry up.
Got one.
Oh, thank you, Elsie. You say thank you, boys and girls? Thank you, Elsie. Right, just put this paper on the table. And look, Olaf again. You seem to be everywhere, Olaf. Yes, because I like warm hugs. So you can stand and watch us. Right, so take this off. Let's see how it works. Assets. Oh, you see it? Let's see if I can. It is right. So I can close a shot. There you are. Oh. See, there it is, Olaf. Right, we can see the rest of them as well. Well, maybe not all of them, but a few of them. So, which one? Elsa. Let's see, Elsa. Right.
Yeah.
Let's get us out of that. Right, okay. Now, you do it. Oh, right. You do it, please. Just a minute. Right. On you go.
Alright.
Oh.
Ooh.
Frozen.
Yeah.
So well done. This looks a bit weird. Do it again.
Alright. And here?
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. That's better. Elsa. Frozen. Oh.
Oh.
Right, another one, please.
Alright.
Christoph.
Yeah.
Christoph is my dad. As you already know, of course. Right. Oh, brilliant. But you know, I think Olaf needs a body. Completely agreed. I need a body. Can someone get me a body, please? Actually, we can.
Yeah.
Because there's one right there. So Elsie, please take that body out of there. Right. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, Hanks. It's fine. We don't like you anyway. Right. So that's the head there. But he needs a body. So we need to make sure this is in the proper way. So I'm gonna give you a little hand. So it should be like this. Okay, on you go, Elsie, please.
Alright.
Press hard. Oh, not actually. No. Right. Try again. Put it over here, maybe first. Over here. There. Press hard. Well done. Now, where's the other one? Here's the head. I've got a head. Right. This is quite complicated thing. Let's see if we manage this time. Try again. Press hard. The magic glove. Oh. Alright, not too bad. It's not perfect, but it's an improvement from that actually. Lovely, well done. Now, next item. We are about to get to this thing that is from Frozen 2. So hold tight, it will be here very, very, very soon. Now, next item please, Elsie. Oh, a wand.
Yeah.
A magic wand.
Yeah.
Lovely. I'm gonna cast a spell on you. Right, so I'll leave it here. Come on, next thing please. I
Alright.
can't wait. What's this? Oh, balloons. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday. Is it your birthday, Elsie? Oh, well, it's fine. We'll save it for next time. That one for our birthday. I'm gonna inflate one.
Alright.
Is there any more balloons there, please? Maybe more? What color is it? Red. And the other one? Purple. Lovely. I like purple. You like purple, Elsie? There you are. Look. It's Elsa. No, it's me. No, not me. It's my mum. Anna. Happy birthday. Oh, here's Elsa. My auntie. Your mum, Elsie. Right. So, with that balloon somewhere here. It's not our birthday. Oh, Olaf. Olaf is everywhere. Olaf is everywhere. So more balloons. Is there more balloons in there maybe? Yes, more balloons. Oh, yeah. This mystery box is full of balloons. Anything else? No? Just something from Frozen 2, which I can already see a little bit. Oh, another balloon.
Here comes the important part of this video. The person who gave us this mystery box told us that there was something inside about Frozen 2. We don't know what it is, but it must be really important, I suppose. The thing is, the movie hasn't been released yet, so maybe this thing has some secrets. Will it reveal some secrets about the new movie coming up soon in November? I don't know. Let's see what this thing is. Right, Elsie? Ready? Here it comes. Get that thing, whatever it is, out of that box. Wow. Frozen 2 coloring book. This is very important stuff. Exactly what's inside? Right. Shall we open it?
No.
No? No? But all our viewers are desperate to see what's inside, to see if this book will reveal anything about the new movie. However, actually, yes. We wait. We have to wait more time. But we'll get this, whatever is inside, revealed if this video reaches a large amount of likes. We're not going to say how many likes, but we just hope that every person that watches this video will click like. Ooh. There's something there, really important, really important. Oh. So, drop a like and subscribe. If you do so, we will reveal whatever's inside this magazine. We don't know what's inside. There might be something important or might be not. But drop a like, subscribe, and then we will reveal and paint and color this book. Here we go. Right, so that's the mystery box. Here ends with a lot of cool stuff, which we loved. I hope you all liked it, and well, apart from the next video, which might be us revealing whatever is inside the magazine, we will make more Frozen mystery box videos if you really like it, and if we reach a great amount of subscribers and likes for this video. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Elsie, where are you? Come and say goodbye. Elsie? Oh, Elsie got lost. Where is Elsie? You're inside the box. Come out. Right now. Aye. Come on, come out. I'll tell you, Mom. Aye. This cousin. Right. Subscribe. Drop a like. And I don't know, but thank you very much for watching. See you next time.